Hey there, this is Dr. Ole with Optimal Health, and today I'm here with Lewis. Lewis, we met about a year ago at a dinner we did. We put on a dinner for the community to help educate about health and wellness, and he'd come out to that. And so, kind of tell him from there, what was your experience and what's been happening? What brought you in originally? Why'd you come in?
I was just curious to see how my back was doing, because you said you were going to do x-rays and stuff, so
yeah.
That's what got me in the door really originally. And then once I saw the x-rays, and then you told me what kind of plan you had, I just decided to try it.
Yeah, that's awesome. So you mentioned several times, you were wanting to kind of be more proactive about your health because you think family and stuff had some health concerns. So that was kind of one of your big things last year. And so we started working on them, doing adjustments. And what have you noticed over the past year as far as your health wise? What have you noticed from getting adjusted on a regular basis?
I felt like I could stand straighter, walk straighter, more strength at the gym, just more energy, like I wasn't exhausted or tired after work as much as the year before I started doing chiropractic. Yeah.
That's awesome. And working all day and coming home to children, that you need that energy, right?
Yeah.
So what would you say to anybody that's maybe hasn't tried chiropractic before? I mean, what would you tell them?
I'd say try it. I think it do more good than bad. Like, you're not risking anything. I think you have more to gain than to lose.
Absolutely. Yeah, and a lot of people they don't understand how the body interacts and how all these different changes can happen. But it's amazing, just things you were telling me with the increase in strength, things he hasn't done since high school. How you're saying?
Yeah, I was benching more weight and that kind of way I haven't been, lifting since high school. So I was kind of how do you say it?
Pleasantly surprised?
Yeah, I was surprised. It was exciting to do that, to be able to do that again.
Yeah, awesome. So if you're looking for more strength, you're looking for less stress, more energy, if those are things you're looking for this new year, come check us out. Optimal Health Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Ole. Have a great day.